Well, my son was an assistant teacher who was died during his service period, and my lord, the son's wife also died. I got one granddaughter. She is now at 10 years,
Sure.
and my lord, my wife, who has been made party here also as a private respondent, to with whom I don't have any relationship last 10 years. My wife has come before this honorable court by stating this declaration that she is to take care of his daughter in my granddaughter, and also I have been made party to that writ petition where I have not been signed, because I know it very well.
Let me clear it.
Well, the petitioner is before your lordship. This is a grandfather
Of the deceased teacher.
of the deceased teacher is my son.
Therefore, you are the son of a father of a deceased teacher.
And he has a one daughter.
And a wife also, the daughter-in-law
Wife
also
also,
dead.
yes.
Daughter-in-law also
Daughter
dead.
also.
Only daughter of them are living with a grandmother.
No. Initially, it was the matrimony, is my maternal house. She has been taken here
By
the grandmother. My lord, with the grandmother, with the present petition, that is my wife, I have no relation. And she has made one statement before this honorable court and taken away one order that myself, along with my wife, is that legal guardian of that very granddaughter.
Myself means the father.
Myself is the petitioner, but I have not been signed. And it is very well-known fact, my lord. My wife, who has been taken one order before this honorable single bench, she will not taken care of. Only she is interested about her money.
Because the minor is entitled to inherit all that
Yes.
retail
benefit. There is a, my lord,
The minor is living with whom?
now she is living with his maternal auntie and uncle. From the very initial stage also, she used to live.
Respondent number 11 is your wife.
Wife.
Respondent number 11 is your wife.
Yes.
Now this wife is saying the daughter, the granddaughter should live with me.
Me and give me the all benefit.
And grandfather means the petitioner, and she is the guardians of that. Where is that declaration?
My lord, is kindly come to the order sheet, my lord. That is page 25. P6. Well, may I read your lordship?
You are a party to that?
Yes, I have been made party, where I have not been signed.
As petitioners?
As a petitioner. Paragraph number 2. Petitioner number 1 and 2 are the parents of late Nepal Kaura. That is my son. Assistant teacher who died in harness on
Wait. The money has been disbursed to...
No, yet to be disbursed, because last I have been instructed.
First of all,
aunt cannot be a guardian.
No, I never said so.
They are not the maternal uncle.
The petitioner is the grandfather.
Grandfather.
Yes.
Son died.
No. Lordship, here is a suppression of material fact. One application was filed before the Guardians and under the Guardians and Wards Act before the London District Judge. Now, in the Guardians and Wards Act, the maternal uncles paid for guardianship.
It has been allowed.
No, pending. And there, this respondent number 11 has not been implemented as a party. Lordship, this is everything has been done at the instance of the maternal uncle.
And my lord, he did not disclose it earlier in application. But he has been
what happened? The earlier one was filed by the mother of the deceased teacher and father and father.
Father and mother, who is the present petitioner of the deceased teacher. Now, on the basis of what?
Lordship. Earlier writ petition was filed by the mother, respondent number 11 here.
Yes.
Mother of the deceased teacher, respondent number 11 here.
Yes.
And the father.
Father petitioner here.
The earlier writ petition was filed by them.
Yes,
In such writ petition, what was the order?
for disbursement of entire benefits.
In favor of the mother of the deceased teacher.
Yes, in
Yes.
favor of me.
Me means
The present respondent number 11.
the mother of the deceased teacher.
Yes,
Right?
yes,
You are the biological mother of the deceased teacher.
yes,
Right?
yes,
It was directed to be paid in your favor.
yes. As per the DCRB rules, this is also mother of the has a family member. As per the 81 Lordship the DCRB rules, the mother is the family members.
Guardian of the minor.
Yes.
Now, kindly come. This is the fact. Kindly come, page 21. What is the decision of the district magistrate? Kindly come. Who has issued the succession certificate? This heirship certificate. Sorry.
Wait,
Kindly
wait,
come, page 20.
Wait.
The grandfather and mother is the guardian.
Neither the grandfather, paternal grandfather, nor the paternal grandmother is the natural guardian. In the absence of father, in terms of section 6 of the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, they are Hindus.
There
Yes,
is.
yes.
Father, in the absence of father, mother. And absence, you know that 99 Supreme Court, how it has. But thereafter, vacuum. Either grandfather or grandmother has to approach the guardian and wards court to get a declaration that I am the natural guardian. Maternal grandfather or maternal
This is not maternal grandfather, this is maternal aunt and uncle.
and
You
uncle
don't
has
have also no right.
They have no right.
applied for to be a guardian. That is
Yes.
pending.
Pending.
We have also applied for this is pending.
You have
Now-
also applied for.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
There lies the problem, my lord.
Now,
wait,
lots
wait,
of
wait,
kindly
wait.
comes.
You-
Now,
Why they have
at
to-
present,
Please, you have applied for
Section
appointment
25.
of guardian
yes,
before the guardian wards court.
yes.
The mother of the deceased teacher, or the respondent number 11, or the petitioner who has applied for.
The petitioner, the respondent number 11.
Respondent number 11 has
Yes.
applied for to be a guardian of the minor
Yes.
in the competent guardian and wards court.
Yes.
Right? Now,
Along with the custody of the minor child, because see, the minor child
wait,
has.
wait, whatever. It may be 7, 10, 25 together of the Guardian and Wards Act.
Yes.
But in the meantime, district magistrate, where is the certificate?
Kindly come page 27. That is not under challenge. The same has till date is existing.
He cannot declare.
Sorry,
this.
page 21.
He cannot.
How he can declare so?
How
No,
can
no, this is.
How he can, my lord?
Lots of
He has
they
no
kindly
authority at
consider
all.
the
Competent
maternal
civil
uncle.
court.
What is the right of the maternal uncle?
Wait.
Everything is the benefits of the welfare of the child.
Yes, that's fact.
May not be natural guardian, but they are coming in class 1.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
They are
Class
coming-
one. Not only that, kindly come the definition of family and for the purpose of family pension,
No.
who are the person?
No, I don't know why both of you are quarreling.
No,
Between you
I'm not
and
quarreling for the one reason.
Now, Lordship, what happened?
Mr. Mukherjee,
Now,
between
I'm explaining the fact. What happened?
wait, Mr. Mukherjee, between you and petitioner, there is
Yes.
no quarrel, cannot be any quarrel.
Now, Lordship, see, now this petitioner is a set up person of the maternal uncle.
Acha, you don't have good terms in good terms.
Now,
Husband, wife, not in good terms.
terms, Now maternal uncle has
You
purchased
live
this
together.
petitioner
You live together or separately?
separate.
Very well.
Lordship, the petition, the maternal
You have
uncle.
got the only son. This is the only son.
Yes, only son.
Now, maternal uncle has somehow managed this petitioner that I will pay some of the benefits. So you please file a writ petition to cancel this present lordship the pension payment order, which already has been issued.
Then मैंने की reply your
Pension
lordship.
payment order already has been by the director DPP.
See, the child is living with whom?
At present, child has been, it was with us. Subsequently, when the writ petition was, order was passed, maternal
Age of
uncle
the
has
child. What is the age of the child?
10 years.
10 years. Minor. Child is minor.
No, minor understood whether he can form an intelligent quotient or not.
Lordship,
Uh,
That will
kindly-
be better, my lord.
wait, Mr. Mukherjee, don't be sober. Now, you don't have the custody with you.
Presently.
Don't have the custody.
Yes.
If the pension payment order is, you receive the pension amount,
Yes.
it is for the benefit of the child.
Yes, I'm ready to disburse.
How? It will go to in whose hands?
The at present till the succession, till the application for interim custody is pending before the Ladder district judge. Lordship, during the pendency of this suit, I will deliver to the persons who is now looking after the minor child.
My lord, I
Because
don't have any
welfare of
objection.
the child has to be
I don't
maintained.
have any objection.
Welfare of the child has to be maintained because nothing.
Welfare does not mean by making me a party.
Implead.
Wrong.
Tell me one thing.
Yes.
You should ask for a recalling of that
Not only
order.
that, Lordship, this is absolutely
my lord, I
suppression of
never-
fact. Kindly
I
see
never
this
filed
letter.
Forget about that.
Concern
Concern about the child.
I am
Yes.
concerned
Wait.
about my daughter.
Do
Right.
one thing. You are the
Well-
petitioner.
My lord.
Implead the person under whose custody the child is now.
I have
Completed.
completed.
Lordship,
I have been
I have
included,
said
my lord.
set up person.
Wait, Mr. Mukherjee.
Now, Lordship, kindly see this
Who is
letter.
this?
I, for the benefits of the child, Lordship,
Who
several
is
letters
this
have been issued.
person under whose custody he is?
Grand uncle.
No, maternal uncle.
Hey, sorry, my maternal
Maternal
uncle. Sorry. Yes, my lord. Buddhadev late 10.
Buddhadev let is the one of the person.
Onukora is minor. How can you figure him as a
Yes, this is my
Wait,
first
wait.
objection.
But that may be wrong, my lord. If it is wrong, technically, I do admit, my lord. I have been well party so that she can produce before your lordship.
No, that
Whether
is not
what's-
necessary. You cannot
No, no,
make
I
a
cannot,
minor
I cannot,
directly.
I cannot.
Now, till date, no natural guardian
no.
is there.
That
But
is the reason I have made
as-
party.
As the grandmother, you can represent her.
Hmm.
If you wish to,
Yes.
you can represent, but you cannot
No,
figure out, you
I
cannot
have-
figure out respondent number 9 in this manner.
I have made reason is this, my lord. 10 is the mama.
Don't say reason.
No,
This
it's a
is
wrong.
wrong
It's a
in
wrong.
that sense. Must
It's
be
a wrong.
there. As
No, I
the
shall-
grandmother, you want to represent her.
Yes.
So accordingly, change her. So
Well, I
that
can change it. Here and now I can change it with the leave of the court.
now 10 has been served.
Yes, 10 has been served. I have given the affidavit of service. দিলাম না? Oh, sorry.
আসুন তো।
Lordship, before that, Lordship, kindly consider.
I direct the personal appearance of this Buddhadev late,
Yes.
under whose custody the child is now.
The child is under
Buddhadev-
custody of Buddhadev.
Till this decision is made, who would be the custodian and guardian? That is, who would be the custodian of the minor? Till such time, he will be disclosing an account, bank account, in which the amount he will be receiving on account of family pension, it will be disbursed to that account
I'm
of
grateful.
for the benefit of the child.
Now,
And this Buddhadev Light is accountable to furnish all details expenditure account to the Guardian Works Act code
I'm grateful,
periodically
your lordship.
or monthly.
Lordship, the day-to-day expenses, because this is the
Arre,
target.
what 2 hour
Now
I'm
it has been-
Accounts to be submitted before the Guardian and Works Court. That will be the whole scheme. Otherwise, money will be with the government. No one will be benefited.
Yes, sir.
Money may come to you, but expenses of this or expenditure of this
Yes.
daughter is to be looked into.
Well,
Money will be spent only for the welfare of the child. Age 10 means she is student of class 4 or 5,
10 means 4.
4 or 5.
4.
So must be a particular school where maybe with the maternal uncle. This
Yes.
Buddhadev late is maternal uncle.
Maternal uncle,
He is in custody. His presence is necessary.
lordship.
Now, Lordship, may I pray one? Lordship, these are my letters. So far, my contention is the welfare of the child. These are my letters, not only, Lordship, I have got order. Lordship, they are forcefully restraining the child from meeting with this present respondent number 11. These are the letters written to the officer in charge and concerned Pradhan.
Let this Buddhadev appear. Let this Buddhadev
Now,
appear.
let the child be also brought
Wait,
because
not now. Not in this situation. Child has already faced this trauma. Father, mother, both has gone. She is too vulnerable to everything. The only son of the petitioner was an assistant teacher of a primary school. Unfortunately, he has died. His wife has also died. He has and left behind a child. Who has been figured as respondent number 9 in the present petition. Our representation may be corrected. Leave is granted to the learned advocate for the petitioner to correct the presence of the said minor respondent properly. Stop. The minor is in the custody of her maternal uncle, the respondent number 10 here. Stop. The petitioner is anxious about the pension payment order already issued.
pension payment order issued, but the
Condition
treasury officer till date has not disbursed the money.
Payment order.
Lordship, kindly direct the treasury officer because he is a party.
Payment order for family pension in favor of the petition, respondent number 11. The mother of the deceased teacher, though has been issued, but payment has not yet been made. The petitioner.
My lord, may I show your lordship this order?
Which one?
The pension payment order.
No, no, not.
No, there is a
Pension
condition.
payment order, I
stipulated.
have
Wait. She is not getting it now.
Lordship, there is a
The
condition.
petitioner is objecting to such payment on the ground that the money would not go in the hands of, for the benefit of the respondent number 9. Stop. To resolve the issue, the presence of the respondent number 10 is necessary as he is the custodian of the minor, but he is not present on call. Stop. The respondent number 10 is directed to appear personally before this court on the next date of hearing. Department as well as the petitioner is required to communicate this order to the said respondent.
The কোন police
Matter
station?
to appear in the list of
এটা
10th January 10:30.
My lord.
Lordship, let the concerned police officer intimate
Why?
the respondent number 10
What
for
is-
presence because this is the easier.
So worried. She's so worried.
They won't involve police. I
After
know.
suppression of facts, she's so worried.